Hello everybody, Reza is here. Today is April 7. We are watching history. It's so strange, it's so amazing. I cannot believe what I'm watching today. First of all, I start with SPY. So we had two consecutive 5% down on Thursday and Friday last week, and everybody talk about Black Monday, and some traders are prepared for another 5% down because the future was down almost 4% on Sunday afternoon. And then when the market opened, we saw it was down. But almost at 9:50 we saw a little bit a signal of bouncing, and honestly I was not convinced that we are prepared for a bounce. But there was a fake news from Nover that tariff was delayed for 90 days for every country, and it was fake news. But that was enough. I mean, that was fake news because everybody was prepared for a bounce as well, because we had two scenarios, right? Another 5% down or a huge bounce, right? So you can see that it's just almost from 481 to 523. It's huge. I mean, it's almost 8 to 10% bounce in SPY. So you look at daily. The volume, the volume in SPY, it's almost right. The volume is almost at the highest volumes for a long time. So yeah, we had a huge bounce, and then it came back again, right? And it was flat to the end of the day. So it is in hindsight, but we had this news on JP Morgan or Reuters. Said retail investor buys stocks at the largest level in 10 years, right? This news is from April 4, right? Again, it's in hindsight, but what I'm saying that when we have something's new, because it's the first time in the history that SPY is 5% down for two consecutive days. It's the first time in the history, right? So as I said, we had two scenarios, right? And to me, people are very prepared for this bounce, right? So what I'm gonna show you again, because I always look at the option side, so I'm gonna just show you the possibility, right? I didn't trade the whole. Nobody can capture honestly the whole part of this move, but I'm gonna just show you. This is call option, 0 DTE 505. It moves from 0.94, right, to 19, right? It's insane. It's insane. This type of move, it's life changing. If you can capture one of these moves, I mean, it's strange. I mean, yeah, just wanna show you, right? So we had this bounce, across the market, Nvidia, Tesla, PLTR everywhere, right? So on crypto, it's so strange for me because sometimes I observe that. So let's say stock market is down, gold is up, right? Or stock market is down, Bitcoin is up, or Bitcoin is up, gold is down, or but now we are in a position that almost from 10 a.m. to 10:30, this huge move was all across the market. I mean, so look at gold. So I look at gold. So you can see it's almost the same chart, but in different range, right? So look at MSTR. So we can again, you can see that MSTR for Bitcoin basket and UGT for the gold basket, almost the same chart. And I mean, everybody was prepared to buy. That's it. Okay. And it's the craziness was not. I mean, this is not just in large cap or in index, or the craziness continues today, right? So in small cap land, so we had JVNR, right? JVNR. It is wrong. JNVR, sorry, JNVR. Okay, JNVR. Okay, so a lot of halts during the day, but you can see it move from $4 to 48. Again, it's crazy. It's one of the craziest move today. And also we had BJDX. That was a runner from the other, after hour on Friday, but it has a huge move pre-market, but it could not hold during the day, and then after hour it flushed. But there was another volatile, in small cap, and we had NWTG as well today. It's so choppy, but I didn't trade this one. It's so difficult, but there was another name, and after hour we had SVRE, right? SVRE after hour, and also GLXG. Yeah, we had these two. In after hours. So anyway, what is the plan for tomorrow? Yeah, for me, honestly, we might have we might continue this bounce a little bit, and maybe the market is waiting for China because they're waiting to see what is the reaction of China in large cap. And maybe we can have a couple of days to see a little bounce from now. But what I saw, so first of all, it's so amazing for me that every day we have a lot of opportunities, right? And if you miss something, it's okay, because we have a lot of opportunity tomorrow as well, right? If my mind is mentally prepared for the opportunity, right? If my mind, okay, I have a couple of scenarios in my mind and I'm ready to act, it's okay, like we see here, right? This move is life changing. This move, so I'm looking in the spy, right? This move from here to here is a life changing move, right? And also, another observation was really amazing for me was day trading, because if you are a day trader, you are immune actually from the craziness in stock, after hour, or gapping up and down when the market opens at 4 a.m. right? This is maybe a weapon for retail traders, right? So let's say, imagine you have a huge amount of money as a positional trader, and you can see your money is melting down. It's so frustrating for many people, and I saw a lot of people lost a lot of money, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, last week, and today, right? But this is opportunity for day traders, right? Because you are cash at 4 p.m., right? That's it. I really wanted to save this day for the future, because that was history. And I hope you have a good night and have a great one.